We have Team SMCG and RMS, and let's see what they have for us now.
Awesome goal, man. Ryan Percy, really awesome goal, man.
Dude, Ryan Giggs doesn't even count in Morocco. He'll not be playing the next match. He's far too old, man. He should not be in the team.
Come on, people, you should not forget the fact that the red card was a deciding factor.
I mean, whatever, red cards, yellow cards, I tell you, Man City is going to win this time.
Yeah. So you guys won the KICC NM round?
Yeah, we're the champions.
How was it?
KICC, wow, man, that was like the best competition I've ever been a part of. And seriously, it has been so challenging that how do I even, you remember the first round?
Yeah, dude. First 1 hour, one case study. I mean, that's something I couldn't dream of doing. And then when the case, you saw the case. It was totally threw us off the page, and it was so long.
You remember the second round? It was such a huge case. I didn't think we could complete it in 3 hours, and that too without anything, without any references, without the internet. It's not like we were made to sit in a box and to think out of it.
I mean, what they were using was our thinking, man. They wanted us to know stuff, and that's what they tested. I mean, what you know, what you can think of, what you can analyze out of it, and you know, the presentation.
Yeah.
I mean, how we had to put it all on one presentation and present it in 15 minutes. That's not so hard.
It was an amazing experience. It was like we were dancing on the floor.
Seriously, we were dancing, the other 6 teams were dancing, there were 60 teams who were dancing before us. So, I really think that the way that we arranged our capabilities, we complemented our skills, and the very fact that even amongst this very tough competition within our own business school, we could still qualify to become the champions of this such a prestigious event. I really think that we've learned quite a lot.
And don't forget, the journey is still beginning.
Yeah, and thinking of beginning, I still remember the launch round of the KICC. You remember that video of the KICC? That was awesome, man. And I mean, what I see is that the total interaction, the little interaction which we had with the KPMG team, I mean, during the launch, the QA round, the talk in the end, I mean, that was really motivating. And we really got to know of our weak points. And I think if we really capitalize on those points, we'll surely win this.
Definitely.
Yeah, I think it's an honor for us. It's an honor on us to pass on these insights to our juniors. So the message from me to the juniors would be: just make your teams collaboratively. Identify your strengths, your weaknesses, and divide the work amongst yourselves. Make strong, strategic, and not too big deadlines. Meet them, collaborate your work, and just remember 2 things: stay focused, stay calm, and everything else will fall in place.
And definitely, I seriously believe that this is all a part of the plan. You must trust the other person, trust his capabilities, his or her capabilities,
that's the
and be very sure of what work the person can do and in what time frame. Because it's really, unless everyone has this cohesion that when can everybody come in, the plan simply fails. And as I said, if you fail to plan, you're just planning to fail, which definitely is not the plan.
And that's what we have for the rest of the world. We are ready, we are motivated, we have the hunger, and we are going to win this championship. We're going to be Team India, we're going to come down to Spain, and we're going to win it right there.
Spain. El Clasico. Man, Ronaldo is better than Messi.
No, come on.
Messi.